Ladies and gentlemen, today I have the privilege of addressing you on a topic that is not only crucial but has the potential to transform our lives and the world we live in: financial education. Over the course, I will delve deeper into this subject, exploring its various facets and imparting valuable knowledge that can help us navigate our path to wealth. Part 1: The importance of financial education. In the first part of our discussion, let us explore why financial education is so vital in today's world. We live in a time where money permeates every aspect of our lives, from the basics of survival to the pursuit of our dreams. Therefore, it is imperative that we equip ourselves with the necessary knowledge and skills to navigate the complex financial landscape. We often hear stories of individuals who have achieved great wealth or fallen into financial ruin. The difference between these outcomes often lies in the level of financial education they possess. Financial education empowers us to make informed decisions, understand the risks and rewards of various financial choices, and ultimately secure our financial well-being. Moreover, financial education is not solely about accumulating wealth. It is about building a solid foundation for a fulfilling and secure future. It enables us to plan for retirement, save for emergencies, support our loved ones, and achieve our goals without constantly worrying about financial constraints. By investing in our financial education, we invest in our peace of mind and overall well-being. Part 2: The components of financial education. In the second part of our discussion, let us delve into the essential components of financial education. Financial literacy encompasses a range of skills and knowledge that are interconnected and build upon each other. To successfully navigate our path to wealth, we must understand and master these components. A. Money management. Effective money management is at the core of financial education. It involves creating budgets, tracking expenses, and understanding cash flow. By developing good money management habits, we gain control over our finances, avoid debt, and maximize our savings potential. B. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are key drivers of wealth creation. Financial education teaches us the importance of setting aside a portion of our income for the future and making smart investment choices. It helps us understand the power of compound interest and the different investment vehicles available to grow our wealth over time. C. Debt management. Debt can be both a blessing and a curse, depending on how we manage it. Financial education equips us with strategies to responsibly manage debt, differentiate between good and bad debt, and avoid falling into the debt trap. It helps us develop a repayment plan, negotiate favorable terms, and ultimately reduce financial stress. D. Understanding the financial system. The financial system can be complex and daunting for many individuals. However, financial education breaks down this complexity, helping us understand concepts such as interest rates, inflation, taxes, and the functioning of financial institutions. With this knowledge, we can make informed decisions and leverage the system to our advantage. Part 3: Cultivating a wealth mindset. In the third part of our discussion, let us explore the mindset necessary for building and sustaining wealth. Financial education not only provides us with practical knowledge, but also shapes our attitudes and beliefs about money. Developing a wealth mindset is a transformative process that involves shifting our perspectives and adopting empowering beliefs. A. Goal setting and planning. Financial education encourages us to set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. By defining our objectives, we can create a roadmap for achieving them. Financial planning helps us identify the steps required to reach our goals, ensuring we stay focused and motivated along the way. B. Overcoming obstacles and taking risks. Building wealth requires perseverance and the ability to overcome obstacles. Financial education teaches us to view setbacks as learning opportunities and to persist in the face of adversity. It also enables us to evaluate risks intelligently and make calculated investment decisions that align with our goals and risk tolerance. C. Delayed gratification. One of the fundamental principles of wealth creation is delayed gratification. Financial education emphasizes the importance of prioritizing long-term goals over short-term impulses. By practicing delayed gratification, we can make conscious choices to save and invest our resources wisely, setting the stage for future financial success. D. Continuous learning and adaptation. The world of finance is ever evolving, and it is crucial that we adapt and continue to learn throughout our financial journey. Financial education instills in us a thirst for knowledge, encouraging us to stay updated on market trends, emerging investment opportunities, and changing financial regulations. This adaptability ensures our financial strategies remain relevant and effective. Part 4. Promoting financial education in society. In the final part of our discussion, let us explore ways to promote financial education in our society. Financial education should not be limited to individuals alone. It should be ingrained in our educational systems, workplaces, and communities. A. Integration in education. We must advocate for the inclusion of financial education in school curricula at all levels. By teaching children about personal finance from an early age, we equip them with skills that will serve them throughout their lives. Financial education should cover topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding credit. B. Workplace programs. Employers can play a significant role in promoting financial education. Companies can offer workshops, seminars, or online resources to educate their employees about financial management, retirement planning, and investment options. Empowering employees with financial knowledge leads to a more engaged and financially stable workforce. C. Community initiatives. Community organizations, nonprofits, and government agencies can collaborate to provide financial education resources to underserved populations. By organizing workshops, mentoring programs, or partnering with financial institutions, we can reach those who need financial education the most and empower them to make informed decisions. D. Public policy and advocacy. Lastly, we must advocate for policies that prioritize financial education. Governments can support initiatives that promote financial literacy, allocate resources for financial education programs, and work with educators to integrate personal finance into the standard curriculum. By raising awareness and lobbying for change, we can create a society that values and prioritizes financial education. Conclusion. In conclusion, financial education is a lifelong journey that requires continuous learning, adaptation, and application. By investing in our financial education, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions, create a solid financial foundation, and navigate our path to wealth. Let us prioritize financial education in our lives, in our communities, and in our society as a whole. Together, we can build a future where everyone has the opportunity to achieve financial well-being and live a life of abundance. Thank you for your time and attention.